What's up, guys? We are back. Oh, bro, I hate when that happens. Zooming, they be going crazy sometimes. I want to put a dual in the front, but I don't even know where I'm gonna put the motor at. So it's like only one little motor for the back. So I want to get the same motor. See if I can get the same motor and use it from the front wheel. So I have basically just like go like super fast basically and pedaling at the same time because I don't mind pedaling. It's a good exercise, but that's what I want to do. I want to see if I could like probably like weld something to make it not look tacky. Basically, like don't make it look tacky, cause like I see people do it, but they still be looking so tacky. I'm like, bro, you got all them cords. You got like too much stuff on it, bro. Like it look way tacky. So basically make it look good and not tacky. I don't even care if I get like a small motor because like this bike already go like 30. So just imagine it's probably gonna push it to 37 on 40. 37 on 40 in the front. So basically like they both move at the same time, it's gonna make it go faster. Come on, car. I could have gone, but like I said, it's Florida. Like I said, it's Florida. They widows here. Make sure nothing going on. But yeah, it's Florida. But yeah, like I was saying though, like I want to do that. It could even be like a small motor. I don't need a big motor for the front because the back is like really supporting all this. Back is really supporting all this, so basically I could do the back motor, leave that and make a little motor, buy like a little motor and weld like a case to make it look normal, then put the cords just how like they have it on this bike for the back. I just use what's them things called, them plastic things. I don't know, I forgot what's it called. I can't remember. Dang. Oh, zip ties. Yeah, zip ties. I gotta go on Wawa right quick. That's why I'm going this way. And then here for there, I'll just go straight. But yeah, do like zip ties with the bike. Like I said, I don't really need to go that fast, the front to go that fast. saying, like, kind of want to do like a motor or something like that. Don't you go. I gotta get on the other side. I'll walk over this side. Yeah, I gotta get on this side. Oh. Probably red. Ugh. About being on a bike, it's completely different than riding. But yeah, by riding a bike, completely different. I messed that up. I was going too fast. I hope I ain't like lining up my bike wrong. The wheel bent. Cause that's the only thing I hate about bikes. When your wheel bent, you gotta go get another wheel. I'm gonna check it right now actually. Let me check it. Check it right quick. Ugh. Let's see something. It's wobbling. Haven't fixed that. But it's a big wheel at the same time. I don't think that came from what just happened. I think that came from a long time ago. Attention. Too busy looking over there. Oh, what's back there? Bro, after work, I might ride back there. I just see something like cool. Slow down. see what I mean? You seen that truck? That truck was going super fucking fast. He not even looking. So he pulled off on the brakes. But yeah, that's what I want to do for the front wheel. I want to do that for the front wheel. That's exactly what I want to do. Do that. And then basically make it fast. It already fast. Like it goes 30, but I want to go like these like 37. 37 is good. Get some street tires. And pretty much this bike is done after that. I might resell it for something else. But I gotta make it look like petite, like it gotta look like super good. Look at her, see? You see her? Boy. She was about to pull out without even looking. You see what I mean, bro? And then you know what's so funny, bro? I'm not even trying to be mean or nothing like that, bro. It be people from different countries that don't know how to fucking drive in fucking Florida. Like, bro. And I feel like they don't be taking a driving test, bro. Nah, I'll go right there. They don't even be taking a fucking driving test. I think they just be getting their license for fucking with money. But that's what I heard too. You can pay like somebody $500 to get a license here in Florida. That lady was about to hit me. She wasn't even paying attention. What I mean, bro? Like, I had a camera out this time because we had stopped at a red light. I ain't gonna waste, you know, footage or gigabytes. So, but like, bro, the lady literally, like, they be pulling so fast on the curb when they got a turn and they see a bike, they just keep going, bro. Sometimes I can't stand freaking Florida, bro. Literally. I love these roads though. I like the black roads like this. But you know, I'm gonna end it right here. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you want more. Peace out.